Hello and welcome to this week's Trade of the Week on Monday, the 12th of February 2024. In the middle of January, we went long the S&P 500, as you can see here on this daily chart. And since then, we have risen quite significantly to our upside target, which was just below the psychological 5,000 mark. But since the S&P 500 continues to go up, you could just use a trailing stop loss or take profit order to continue this upward move at the moment. If not, you may wish to cash in your profits, and you would have made around, I believe, 200 points profit on this trade so far. And then the week after that, we went long the volatility index, the VIX. And you can see here we had a nice surge higher since, but hadn't you cashed in your profits on that one, we had a fall back to more or less the entry levels at the moment. So that one is still ongoing with the same stop below the January lows. I would keep that trade on, even if very short term we seem to be slightly underwater on that one, in case you got in and didn't get out of that trade on the VIX. Now, last week's trade was to go short the Nikkei 225 because I thought this was some sort of corrective pattern with another corrective move lower to be seen, and got this completely wrong. We had a continuation to the upside, but that's why we use a 2% stop loss. And with hindsight, I should have even done a stop and reverse orders to catch then the next move up once I got stopped out. But anyway, we lost 2% of our capital, hypothetically, on this short trade against the trend as the Nikkei 225 continued to make new 34-year highs. And what I would like to do today is look at the similar pattern I saw in the Nasdaq last time, and basically go short euro yen. And the reason is I've got this ABC Elliott wave correction, and if it is one, perhaps we will see another move take us back down again towards the December to February uptrend line, and that comes in around the 158.50 zone or so. And if we go short here, also the reason is that we are struggling at this downtrend line going back to November of last year, and we have a pretty tight stop here above the January high, all of which is a good risk reward setup for me to put this trade on. So this week's trade of the week is to go short the euro versus the Japanese yen with a stop loss above the January high at 161.89 or 90, and a downside target around 158.50.